Why Linux Mint Debian Edition is more stable than the standard version. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Linux Mint user who values rock-solid reliability over flashy new features, you might be missing out on one of the best-kept secrets in the Mint family, Linux Mint Debian Edition, or LMDE. Today we're diving deep into why LMDE delivers superior long-term stability compared to the standard Ubuntu-based Mint, and why power users and anyone who hates unexpected breakage are quietly switching.
Let's start with the big picture. The standard Linux Mint, the Cinnamon, Mate, or XFCE editions you probably downloaded from the main page, is built on Ubuntu LTS. Ubuntu itself is built on Debian. That means there's an extra layer in the supply chain: Debian, Ubuntu, Mint. LMDE skips that middle step entirely. It's Linux Mint's familiar desktop experience, same Cinnamon or your preferred environment, same tools, same look and feel, but sitting directly on top of Debian's stable. No Ubuntu in between. That direct upstream connection is the single biggest reason LMDE feels more predictable and dependable over years of daily use.
The single source of truth, removing the middleman. Think of it like this. Every time Ubuntu makes a change, whether it's a new packaging decision, a kernel tweak, or a policy shift, those ripples can affect Mint. By going straight to Debian, LMDE eliminates an entire layer where things can go wrong. You get cleaner package metadata, fewer opportunities for dependency conflicts, and a tighter integration between the base system and the Mint tools layered on top. The result? Fewer broken updates, less version skew, where one package expects a library that another hasn't quite caught up to, and a smoother overall experience when you run apt update and apt upgrade.
The Debian Stable Foundation. Built like a server, runs like a dream. Debian Stable is legendary for a reason. Unlike timed releases that ship on a schedule, Debian follows a freeze and test until it's ready philosophy. Packages go through an extended freeze period where the entire community hammers on them for release-critical bugs. Once it ships, the focus shifts almost exclusively to security patches and critical fixes. No feature bloat, no unnecessary churn. That's why Debian Stable powers so many production servers that stay up for years with near zero downtime. LMDE 7. Gigi, the current version, as of 2026, rides on Debian 13. That foundation gives you server-grade reliability on the desktop. You're not riding the wave of frequent Ubuntu point releases or interim updates that sometimes introduce regressions. Instead, you get a system that's deliberately conservative, thoroughly vetted, and designed for high-availability environments. For power users who want to install once and forget about it for years, this is pure gold. Architectural efficiency and system leanness. Because there's no Ubuntu layer, LMDE runs a bit leaner. The Cinnamon desktop talks directly to native Debian binaries, which means slightly lower overhead and snappier performance in everyday tasks. You also avoid any Ubuntu-specific containerization experiments. Neither edition forces snap, but LMDE never even has the infrastructure for it baked in. The repository structure is simpler too. Debian's tightly integrated packages plus Mint's own repos mean faster updates and less chance of conflicts down the road. Continuous reliability for power users. Here's where LMDE really shines for long-term use. The standard Mint follows Ubuntu's point release cycle. You get nice incremental updates, but eventually you face a bigger jump to the next major version. LMDE works differently. It's not rolling like Arch, but it gives you continuous low-risk patches within the Debian stable lifecycle. You stay current on security and Mint tools without the occasional drama of a full version upgrade. The philosophy is simple: install once, run for years, and let the system just work. Many longtime LMDE users report legendary uptime and zero surprise breakages, exactly what you want on a daily driver you rely on. The future-proof desktop strategy. There's also a bigger picture reason the Mint team maintains LMDE: independence. It's their insurance policy. If Ubuntu ever takes a direction the Mint team doesn't like, and we've seen distro drama before, LMDE proves they can keep delivering the same great desktop on a pure Debian base. For you as a user, that means your investment in learning Mint's tools and workflows isn't tied to one upstream vendor. It's a hedge against the increasing commercialization of desktop Linux. Switching from standard Mint to LMDE is surprisingly easy. The Mint team provides clear upgrade paths and tools, and the desktop experience is nearly identical. If you're already comfortable with Mint, you'll feel right at home, just with a more streamlined foundation underneath. So who should choose LMDE? If you want the absolute smoothest, most polished, out-of-the-box experience with the latest hardware support and biggest community, the standard Ubuntu-based Mint is still fantastic, and it's the main edition for a reason. But if you prioritize package integrity, minimal disruption, and legendary long-term stability, LMDE is the secret weapon. It's not about being newer, it's about being more reliable. Power users, sysadmins who want their desktop to feel like a server, and anyone tired of chasing updates that sometimes bite back. These are the people quietly running LMDE and loving the peace of mind it brings. Have you tried LMDE? Are you thinking about switching? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped clear things up, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a deep dive into Linux that actually matters. Thanks for watching, stay stable out there, and I'll see you in the next one.